So my name is William Pekarski. I am a rising 3 out of New York Law School, and I'm currently a summer associate in the litigation department. I think the most valuable thing that you can get out of working at NLB PC is the fact that all the attorneys are so collaborative. Basically, every attorney here, you can't tell the difference between the partners, the senior associates, the younger associates, and you can basically walk into their door at any time and ask them any question you may have about anything, any case that you're working on, anything that you're doing for them. It's basically an open door policy at this firm, and the most important thing about that is not only are you doing very, very good work and you're working on some of the most interesting and influential real estate cases in New York City, you're also learning as you go. The attorneys, they have basically a desire to put out their best work and also teach the younger attorneys and the interns and the externs and the summer associates about what's going on in each case to make sure that they're learning not only the relevant law, but also learning about the procedure and everything that goes into it. I've worked on a wide array of different types of projects, whether it be research, drafting motions, drafting memorandums to eventually go out to clients or to go out to the attorneys about my evaluation analysis of different types of cases. Basically, I do everything that an attorney would do. And as far as my proudest accomplishments working here, it's basically every time I'm given an assignment, I am taught about what I need to do. The attorneys teach me everything about the case and then basically put the ball in my court to put out my best work. I guess the proudest accomplishments, I can't really narrow it down to one, but it's putting forth my best efforts in all the assignments that I'm assigned, and seeing that all the fruits of my labor, all the hours that I put into drafting motions and conducting research, and seeing that work actually go into the finished product, and seeing the attorneys take that work that I give to them, reviewing it and actually putting it into the finished product. And it's a very good feeling to see that what you're doing actually holds weight and the attorneys value your input and your work. So the most unique aspect of NLB PC is like I said before, the fact that all the attorneys are so collaborative. Not only are you working on the cases, like I said, you're also learning as you go. At other firms, you don't really get that experience because it's more so you just get assigned work and then you are completely on your own to do whatever you think that needs to be done. Here you get work, and not only are you learning about everything surrounding the case, learning about the clients, learning about the relevant laws and everything that applies to what you're doing, you're also learning as you go, learning how to draft and working with the attorneys to ensure that you are doing your work and also learning as well. So other advice that I could give to interns, law students coming in looking to join this firm, basically would be to ensure that, know that you are able to always put your best efforts into everything you do. Every piece of work that you submit, you have to look back at and say, this is the best possible work that I could have submitted, bar none. You need to be willing to work because there's always a lot of work. The summer associates and the externs and the interns here, they're always very busy, but that's good because not only are you doing the work, you're also learning, and it helps you build your reputation and your ability up as an attorney, but also as a student, and you learn about the law and everything that goes into it. And like I said, the most important thing is be willing to work and be willing to and know that you're putting forth your best foot and your best work at all times. Yeah, I think when I was an extern here back from January to the end of April, I learned a lot. It was supplemented with my school's externship program, so I was able to come here 3 days a week, work for 12 to 15 hours a week, and not only learn about real estate, which is something that I didn't really know much about coming into the externship program, but I was able to actually learn about the practical application of law in a very sophisticated professional law office setting, which is something that you don't really get in law school. So as far as an externship program, I had an invaluable experience, and I decided to come back as a summer associate because my experience was so great.